Hi, Group 4. Here are your spelling words for your test this week. Your first word is Congress. The United States Congress helps make our laws. Congress. Your next word is subtract. I will teach you how to subtract in math. Subtract. Your next word is expression. My friend wasn't acting like herself. She had on a sad expression on her face. Expression. Your next word is extinct. Dinosaurs went extinct many, many years ago. Extinct. Your next word is election. The school had an election for student council. Election. The next word is possession. I really wanted to borrow my sister's book, but she had it in her possession. Possession. The next word is express. Many times during second step, we express our feelings. Express. Your last word is a surprise word. Your surprise word for this week is division. Earlier this year, we practiced our division in math. Division.